Yeah, I've completed my journey by learning the most up-to-date tools that helped me land a job. Hello everyone, I am Orhan and I've recently graduated from the cybersecurity course at Clarusway. Within a month of my graduation, I landed my dream job as cybersecurity analyst and cloud engineer in a Dutch company. And now I'm happy to share all my experience in Clarusway to help future cybersecurity analysts. When I first decided to enroll in bootcamp, I haven't got any prior experiences in IT. I spoke with a mentor and talked about my previous experiences, interests, and passions. He helped me really a lot professionally and strengthened my decision to pursue a career in cybersecurity. In 6 month period, I constantly attended all live classes and team workshops. We built really great relationships with my classmates. With the help of career management sessions, also built a great network to find a job. In the first 3 months, I took intensive cybersecurity classes and I earned my Computer Security Plus and some another basic security certifications. In the second half of the bootcamp, I participated in cybersecurity applied classes. Overall, I've completed my journey by learning the most up-to-date tools that helped me land a job. The instructor at Clarusway were really amazing. They were knowledgeable, supportive, and always very eager to help us learn and succeed. I've also enjoyed hands-on projects, teamwork projects, and capture the flag competitions. The tools that we learned during the course allow me to apply what we have learned in a real world context. I had gained the necessary background for my position and I already felt capable of meeting my position requirements. I highly recommend if you are considering to enroll a cybersecurity course at Clarusway. It's been a good experience for me and I am sure it will be good for you too. The instructors are awesome and the course materials are up to date and engaging. It was groundbreaking experience for me as a social science worker and I am sure it will be for you too. Thanks Clarusway for the helping me to take my career to the next level.